I saw something, it's not make me happy in Lex. Okay, this is the thing, guys. So I saw like my colleagues, like my friends, colleague as a motovloggers, and my friends as riding friends, not my group friends. And I saw there are all of you guys are my friends anyway. So some of them, they are not wearing the proper gear. Some of them come with the sneakers, some of them wearing only jeans, some of them wearing rubber shoes and all the things. It's make me very sad that they actually having maybe 500,000 or more worth of motorcycle, and they are not using the proper gear. And I always speak about safety, because I saw so many things happen in front of me. So I can just give you an example that I said before when Prem Jeti interviewing me. I said this one also. 2015, the Team Kirat, we had another group called Z1PH. So the Z1PH more on Z1000. So we went to ride for Pangasinan ride, and me, Mr. Joel Cute, Ruben, Chris Lagarda, and some Joey, some other friends. We are actually 5 or 6 of us. And there is one of our friend, he came with the jeans. I didn't notice, I really didn't notice. So what happened is, there when we are coming back from Pangasinan, we exit from SCTEX to NLEX. There is a one corner, so he passed that corner, go to other side. It was a two-way line before, so there was one truck is coming. He actually go and bang to the truck, and the same time his leg is putul. Yeah, it's gone. Then we put him in the hospital in Clark International, Clark Medical City, and we actually we were there for the whole until morning, and his family is come. We did everything. After 3 days, guy, he is passed away. So till today I am having that that sadness all the time whenever I ride, because if that day, if he could wear the proper gear, he will be still alive. And like you can even see, few days ago I was meeting one of the rider, 9 years, he is paralyzed. So that also, it makes me very sad. So now why I said that one, because guys, we are a motovloggers and we have riding big bikes. So as a rider, when you buying a bike, please invest your money for your gear. As a motovlogger, please guys, we are an influencer, so we influence so many people to how to ride, or they enjoy. Even the next generation people, they are still watching our videos. So whenever you show something, that they follows. So if you riding on expressway, please guys, as a motovlogger, please wear and show to your viewers that you care, so they will follow. So it's not, I am, please, no offense, sorry if you guys feel bad, I'm sorry, but it's just my suggestion only, because I can see so many of us motovloggers as an influencer, we ride without proper gear, and we are showing to others that we don't wear proper gear. So there are kids are watching, so they might follow what we do. So please, much better whenever you're riding, please you do your proper gear, please. So you know this place, but no. So guys, so that is only the thing I am so sad about before. So that is I just mentioned. So if somebody feel offense or something, I am sorry, but this is actually my only suggestion. So don't feel bad. So guys, our riders, big bike riders, whoever going to expressway, please wear proper gear. So let be safe, because you know, if you are going like a 100 or 120, that is just the same minimum speed. Even some of them just to give a sudden brake and you just to get bang. If you doesn't have the proper gear, you will be in trouble. See, end of the day the bike can fix, but if something happened to you, that is sad, buddy. So please be safe, guys. Please, if you can, you know, follow my suggestion, thank you. If you don't follow, thank you then, no problem. Just my suggestion, just my request, not suggestion, let's say I request, let's say I request. So just to show to everyone that, you know, we are good, we are Asians, we are good, we are Filipinos, we care. So that is a goal, is actually my channel, to just say about, you know, safety and all. Also, other thing I always mention, that please support all the vloggers. Why would I say that? Because in this community, you know, so many selfish. So, but I am not. I just want to help all the vloggers. Anyone, see, if he is famous, not famous, he is just starting, please support everyone, because we have to understand, I am not a Filipino, but you know, I am being a Filipino. So the thing is, whenever I am here, I am very proud, because you guys are very smart. Really, you guys are very smart. You guys know how to do things properly, all the things. So now you can see in US or other countries in Europe, they are the, you know, in the motovlogging, they are very good and their community is very good. Why don't we make Philippines #1? That is only my goal. I am not a Filipino, but I just want to be a Filipino, and hopefully one day I will become a Filipino. So that is only goal. I am always say, please support all the Filipinos vloggers, so we can be #1 in the world in motovlogging community. It's not about money, because there are, I am receiving some of the messages, sir, please, I just want to buy the GoPro, I just want to buy this one, can you help me out, because I don't have a job, I want to be a motovlogger, so I can support my family. Brother, you have to understand, YouTube will not support your family. Yeah, really, trust me. YouTube makes sure that is you doing just for your passion. If you are looking for money, you will be stressed, and maybe you might suicide yourself, because YouTube have so much of restriction, so many things you have to follow. So if you want to be a motovlogger, just keep it as a passion, not for your job. If you keeping as a job, and if you want to support from YouTube, brother, you will be hungry and you will be dying. Yeah, not only you, your family will be kawawa too, because there are so many things you have to follow to get, you know, little bit money, little bit, I'm talking about little bit. There are so much of struggle you have to follow. Then there are so much of, you know, gadgets you need an investment. So it's not like a, you know, you can just make a one YouTube channel, put a camera and just say whatever you say and the people will just listen to you. I don't think so. There are hundreds, thousands of them here. I am always supporting all the vloggers. If you want to be a vlogger, make it as a passion. That is, make sure that is your passion, not for supporting your family. For that, you better find a work for support your family, not a YouTube channel. But why I said support all the YouTubers, because I want the Philippines to be #1 in motovlogging community. So that is the reason I was saying those things. So it's not for I'm not saying YouTube or motovlogging is a job. It's not a job. Really, it's not a job. It's just a passion. You enjoy. Yeah, let's say that is, you know, you're doing this motovlogging and you enjoying yourself. See, like me, I was very shy. Even you guys are asking me before, so Quenash, can you make a channel? Why don't you make a channel? Really, I am still shy in front of the camera. I can speak right now because no one else hearing. So I speak like a, you know, like you can say, believe, talking alone. Yeah. So, but I am enjoying. This is my only enjoyment. So, besides that, my channel, not for living. My channel is, this YouTube channel is not my job. I made this YouTube channel because of you guys' request. I made this channel. Whenever I am going for a ride, like before, I put my camera and I talk. If something comes from my YouTube, I can help people. From there, I can help so many of them. So guys, thank you for watching. So like I said, motovloggers or my friends riders, if you get offended what I said, sorry, I'm really sorry, but this is my request. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you on my next vlog. We have to go back to Manila. We are actually not even halfway. So see you again, guys, with another some vlogs, some reviews, some other stuff. So like I mentioned, support all the vloggers, keep share their videos, keep watching, subscribe and all the stuff. So thank you guys, stay safe, peace.